Both suspects involved in the alleged mass shooting plot on the 4th of July went before a judge this morning. Each hearing was brief, but tonight we are learning more from the legal analysts that our Henry Graff spoke to about the process that lies ahead. Richmond reporter Henry Graff joining us now at John Marshall Courthouse with details. So Henry, how did everything go today?
Mickey, good evening to you. Both hearings quite quick at that point in time. Both men also behind bars tonight. No chance for a bond anytime in the near future. And when it comes to exactly why those two folks may have wanted to carry out that alleged mass shooting plan, we still don't know. Still no motive in the case of an alleged mass shooting plot foiled by Richmond Police on Independence Day, even as the two men charged head to court. NBC 12 legal analyst Stephen Benjamin says one way or another the details will come to light.
What remains to be seen is whether there will be additional charges that are consistent with the, I'd have to say, very dire press release and press statements that were made at the time.
Roman Balacarcel appeared via video Monday morning because he's still being held in Albemarle County. A judge advised him of the charge he faces and set his next court appearance August 3rd. At a separate hearing, Julio Alvarado de Bon's bond was revoked. Last week, a judge granted him bond set at $15 grand, but the Commonwealth's attorney appealed. The suspect's attorney said they came to an agreement to revoke the bond request. Both men each face a single charge of being a non-U.S. citizen in possession of a firearm. The police chief says they were behind a mass shooting plot at Dogwood Dell.
This is obviously a matter of tremendous public interest, and so if it turns out to have been as serious as it sounded, then that's something that the public needs to know. If it turns out not to have been as serious as we feared, then that's something we need to know as well.
Last week, the police chief and mayor held a news conference to announce the alleged mass shooting plot. Since then, police within the department tell us they were never alerted to a potential threat. And event organizers at Dogwood Dell also say they were never informed. Late Friday, the police chief doubled down on his response through a written statement.
Police are in an incredibly difficult position. The very tip that they ignore is going to be the one that mattered.
Back out here live, both men also being held at this point in time on an immigration detainer. Alvarado Dubon will have another hearing coming up around the same time as the other suspect in this case. That will be in early August. No comment also from all the attorneys involved in both of these cases at this point in time. For now, we are live and on your side tonight here in downtown Richmond. I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.
Thanks, Henry.